If Microsoft Edge is showing error 504, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through a few simple fixes that can help get the site loading again quickly. A 504 error usually means the website is taking too long to respond, but sometimes the problem is on your device, in your browser cache, or in your network settings. So before you assume the website is completely down, let's try a few easy troubleshooting steps together. And if this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. First, try opening the website in a private window. In Microsoft Edge, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner and choose In Private Window, or press Ctrl, Shift, and N on your keyboard. Then type the website address again and see if it loads properly. Private browsing can help bypass stored session data, old cookies, or the cached files that may be causing the error. If the site opens in private mode, that's a strong sign the issue is related to your browser data. Next, let's clear your cookies and cache in Edge. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard to open the Clear Browsing Data menu. Make sure the time range is set to all time if you want a full reset. Then check the boxes for cookies and other site data and cached images and files. You can leave other options unchecked if you only want to remove the data most likely causing the problem. After that, click Clear Now and wait for the process to finish. Once it's done, close Edge completely and reopen it. Then try the website again. This step often fixes loading issues because it removes outdated data that may be conflicting with the website's current version. If you're still seeing the 504 error, the next step is to flush your DNS cache. This helps remove old network information that your computer may be storing. To do that, click the Start menu, type CMD, and open Command Prompt. If needed, run it as administrator. In the Command Prompt window, type ipconfig/flushdns and press Enter. You should see a message confirming that the DNS resolver cache was successfully flushed. After that, close the window and try loading the website again in Microsoft Edge. This can help your computer request fresh address information instead of using outdated network data. If the website still doesn't work, the issue may be on the website side or with your internet connection, but these steps solve the problem in many common cases. So to recap, open the site in a private window, clear cookies and cache with Ctrl, Shift, and Delete, and flush DNS using Command Prompt. Those 3 steps are the best quick fixes to try when Microsoft Edge gives you error 504. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.